With the Testo 320B, you can measure the flow and return temperatures of the hot water at the boiler pipes. The advanced kit comes with these pipe wrap probes. The probes can be bought separately if your analyzer was supplied without them. They're the same probes which were used with the Testo 327, so if you've got a 327 and upgrade to the 320B, you can use the same probes. To connect the probes, carefully remove the ambient temperature probe from the base of the 320B and connect one of the pipe wrap probes to the DIN socket. Plug the other pipe wrap probe into the temperature adapter, which then plugs onto the main probe socket. Next, use the Velcro to secure the probes to the flow and return pipes. With the probes in place, select the differential temperature test from the measurement menu. To commence the testing, press the green Start button. The flow and return temperatures are displayed together with the difference, which you can compare to your expected figures. The results can also be saved to the clipboard, which means they'll be printed with all other measurements.